In fact, it goes back thousands of years, but school leaders say it's turning their problem classrooms around. We send our kids off to school each day so their minds can be filled with knowledge, but clearing the mind, that's the practice one school district is preaching. It's taking time out of the school day for meditation. And by looking inward, these students are finding outward success. The story tonight from NBC's Cynthia McFadden.
At first glance, Visitation Valley School in San Francisco looks like an ordinary, chaotic middle school. But twice a day, something out of the ordinary happens that has changed everything. It is the sound of silence. 8 years ago, in the heart of one of the city's poorest and most violent neighborhoods, the school was spiraling out of control.
There'd be fights here 3 to 5 times a week. The kids see guns on a daily basis. They see all sorts of weaponry. They have that baggage with them.
Desperate, the district tried a pioneering program called Quiet Time.
Ignore the sounds you hear outside, upstairs, in the hallway.
The idea, teach students transcendental meditation and give them 2 15-minute periods a day to close their eyes and let go of the stresses in their lives. So did you buy into this at the beginning, or were you a little like, hold it a minute, meditation?
I thought it was a joke. I thought, this is hippie stuff that didn't work in the 70s, so how's it going to work now?
Make sure you switch. Good.
But 4 years later, some startling results made the skeptical coach a true believer.
Good job.
A 79% decrease in suspensions, an increase in attendance to 98%, and a clear rise in academic performance. More than 1,500 students and 170 staffers have now been trained to meditate in 4 of the district's schools, including Burton High, once known as Fight School. This is Burton High today, where meditation has replaced mayhem.
There are people who are going to say, hold it a second. You're taking a precious half an hour out of the school day.
You know, I actually was in the same boat, and I was like, there's no way I'm going to steal time from English instruction or math instruction in order to do that.
Instead, he agreed to extend the school day. And now the results are as dramatic as in the middle school. A 75% reduction in suspensions and a move from the bottom of California's academic ladder to the upper middle rungs. School officials say that's because students now feel safe, relaxed, and ready to learn.
It makes you more conscious of your actions.
It brings you down to that calmness.
Before Tobias started meditating, he says he was an angry kid.
I always want to fight everybody for some reason.
You remember?
Yeah.
You see a change in him?
Yeah, tremendously compared to from the 6th grade to now.
You can't change the violence and the stress that happens outside these walls.
I cannot, but I can help our students find ways to deal with the violence, the trauma, and the stress of everyday life.
Tools they can use with their eyes closed. Cynthia McFadden, NBC News, San Francisco.